Okay. All right. So
What are we gonna say?
Kisichipu, kuling.
Kulinan.
yeah. So every time I come to Greenland and there's different folks from Canada and Alaska and Greenlandic, I try to make sure, or not try to make sure, but there's always kind of like not necessarily a language barrier, but there's similarities as well. So one thing that I try to ask them to do is to count to 10. So kung ngayon tinaman count to ko kwan bilak to good. Adawchik malro pingayon staman dasliman arwinilgan malronilgan pingaynilgan kolgunridah kola. So that was like from Alaska, Yupik, Alaska. And then this is Terry Uyarak, Nunavut. Say hi, Terry. You could introduce yourself, where you're from.
Terry Uyarak yung Inuit Nuunu, Canada.
So she 10.
Ataw sa makok pingasot si samat dilimat. Aveniri makok aveniri pingasot aveniri si samat makurit.
So that was Inuktitut. Yeah. In Nunavut.
Yeah.
And Inuit dialect. Okay, so that was his way of counting to 10 in Nunavut Inuit dialect. And then this is Nuunu. Say hi.
Hi.
And say hi and where you're from.
Nuunu akpunga kilasinunaningan akpunga.
And how does it sound like when you count to 10 in?
Yeah. Atasak makhluk pingasut sisamat tallimat akfinillit akfinang makhluk akfinak pingasut kulingiluat kulik.
So that does sound similar, right? This Laakkuluk, say hi Laakkuluk, and that's Laakkuluk's daughter, say hi. So that's the video, Quyana.